I'm so excited to share with you the Falscara. Hi girls, for all you eyelash junkies out there, I'm so excited to share with you the Falscara beginner's kit for having those sexy eyelashes which all of us fantasize about. So guys, Falscara beginner kit is nothing but is a kit in which you get a pair of eyelashes, like of course artificial ones, in form of more like individual wisps. You get a applicator tool like this, and you get the bond and seal like this. So guys, it's something, I would call it like a delight, for people who are obsessed with those false eyelashes and who don't want to visit the salon, spend like a gazillion amount of money and save some time as well. Flip side, it's really difficult to master the art of applying lashes. So I tried doing this today and I did goof up, and it was like really difficult to pick up a wisp with this applicator tool. So guys, it does take time, but once you are comfortable with the whole technique, and guys, it's all about practice, right? So once you're comfortable, it does add a lot of definition and oomph to your eyelashes. This is the bond and the seal, the gel kind liquid which you actually apply. You're gonna receive lashes like these and an applicator tool like this. Guys, you also receive this manual which has all these steps clearly laid down. So guys, I'm going to put my lashes in one eye so that you can feel the difference between the two. So first step is you begin with this, and so there are two sides to this, guys, the bond and the seal. So we have to begin with the bond. So I'm going to apply this to my lashes. So something like one layer, single layer of application. So very quickly, guys, while my lashes are still damp, I'm going to use this applicator, lift a whisk from here. Yeah. So I've pulled out one whisk, and I'm going to place it like underneath my lashes. Guys, I'm going to just press it very softly for like just 2-3 seconds so that it doesn't go anywhere, just stays. So similarly, I'm going to pull out one more and place it again beneath the lashes. So guys, I've placed the lashes here. So last step, I'm just going to use the seal bit and quickly apply one layer. So this is more like, seal is, guys, more like vitamin E, and this just brings out like any unrequired residue or clumsiness. I think from one spot I have done some clumsy kind of job, but here you go, guys. I think I have messed up a little bit. I can feel 1 or 2 strands of hair like clashing with each other. I think they've just like clumped together, but overall I think not so bad. Maybe I think with time in the second attempt I can do a better job, but guys, overall I do feel a difference. I don't know if you can. I think these like lashes have added some definition, some like I think like depth to the whole eye game. Also guys, removing this is typically a challenge. So I know there is a remover that Falscara brand sells separately. Unfortunately, I didn't find one in this kit, but you can definitely buy that separately. But for me, so what I typically do is I would just take a cotton ball and dab some coconut oil. If you don't have that, a petroleum jelly, like that also works. So just take some jelly and just wipe it very, very softly over your eyes, so it will nicely take off any residue whatsoever. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video. Bye bye.